The monkeys laughed at Martin, but they didn't know what would happen next. Martin slowly walked toward the playground. "Can I play too?" he asked softly. The monkeys giggled. You're too slow. You can't even splash water properly." Martin's eyes filled with tears again. He walked back to the river and sat quietly. A small turtle nearby saw everything. The turtle slowly came closer and said, "Martin, sometimes being small is your biggest strength." Martin looked confused. "What do you mean?" Suddenly, the river started rising. Dark clouds gathered in the sky. Rain started pouring heavily. The small river began to overflow. The monkeys panicked. "Oh no! The water is coming toward the trees." The deer were scared. The parrots flew around in confusion. The turtle shouted, "We need someone strong to move the fallen tree blocking the water." But the big elephants were far away. Everyone looked around nervously. And then they looked at Martin. Was Martin really too small, or was this his moment? Martin's heart started beating fast. "I'm small, but I'll try." He walked toward the fallen tree. He pushed with all his strength. At first, nothing happened. The monkeys whispered, "It won't work." But Martin remembered the turtle's words. Sometimes small is strong. He pushed again, harder. Slowly, the tree moved. The water changed direction and stopped flooding the jungle. Everyone stared in surprise. The same monkeys who laughed now had something to say. The monkeys ran toward Martin. "You saved us." The deer smiled. The parrots cheered. Martin looked at his reflection in the river again. But this time, he didn't see a small elephant. He saw courage. The turtle smiled and said, "Being small never means being weak." Martin wiped his tears, and from that day on, he never felt small again. True strength comes from believing in yourself.